6 major intersections along EDSA will be cleared of traffic obstructions. President Aquino ordered the move to help ease the traffic congestion problem along the busy thoroughfare. The president met with his cabinet to find holistic solutions to the traffic problem. This report by Rocky Ignacio.
President Aquino ordered measures to decongest traffic in 6 choke points in Metro Manila, namely Balintawak, Cubao, Ortigas, Shaw Boulevard, Guadalupe, and Taft Avenue. The president issued the directives after his meeting with concerned agencies, including the Philippine Police and Metro Manila Development Authority, or MMDA.
President Aquino ordered the review and fine-tuning of action proposals on easing traffic congestion and the submission of detailed implementation plans that take into account the need for holistic solutions, unified action among concerned government agencies, and heightened awareness to ensure citizen cooperation. After a meeting presided over by the President, it was agreed that priority action will be taken to clear 6 major intersections that are traffic congestion choke points along EDSA, namely 1. Balintawak, 2. Cubao, 3. Ortigas, 4. Shaw Boulevard, 5. Guadalupe, and 6. Taft Avenue.
The president also approved the deployment of the PNP Highway Patrol Group to serve as the lead traffic law enforcement agency on EDSA with the support from the MMDA, LTO, and LTFRB.
Among the immediate actions agreed upon were 1. Stricter enforcement of the bus lanes along EDSA, 2. Clearing of obstructions on EDSA and alternate routes, and 3. Continuing consultations with bus and public utility operators, truckers, and port users, and other stakeholders.
President Aquino discussed issues on heavy traffic amidst reports of its effect to economy. The palace official said that consultations with other traffic enforcement agencies will continue and called on public to cooperate to ensure effective implementations to decongest Metro Manila.
Well, isa sa mga solusyon no, sinabi kasi natin holistic. So, nandun na yung pangunahing aspect ng traffic law enforcement. Pangalawa, yung road engineering, no, kasi nga lalong-lalo na limited road space ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. At yung pangatlong pinakamahalagang elemento din, yung education, no, and awareness among our people. Kasi kinakailangan maunawaan nila yon, maging katanggap-tanggap sila sa kanila, at dahil doon ay buo yung magiging kooperasyon nila. Dahil kapag pinagtulong-tulungan, mas gagaang yung problema.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.